Hello everybody, Jeff at Cuttermasters. Some of our friends have been asking for really flat and perfect welding flats, and our tradesman is not designed for that because the wheel doesn't travel across the tool, it plunges into it. So in this case we've made an add-on to the Cuttermaster style machine so that you can use it as a lever slide. On all these machines there's a table bolt right there that hooks the drive dog on that's hooked to the lead screw up to the table, so you can unfasten that table bolt. You can use your gibs for tension, and then we put a short extension on the wheel here so that it actually lifts and lowers a little more when you use the elevator screw. And you can just raise the wheel and then lower it down into the welding flat area. It's set up so there's about 25 thou clearance between the top of the vise and the wheel, so you can just lower the wheel down to your flat and then work it back and forth like this. And it's a whole bunch easier than the winding on that lead screw all day long. So anyway, hope you like it. Produces pretty good flats. We'll send another video tomorrow. Thanks for watching.